Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So guys, today I decided to do another collective reading on the next 72 hours. So let's see how it goes, and do tell me if you all want more collective readings in the comment section. Guys, let's start up with our regular tarot deck and let's go on and see what changes are going to come. Guys, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you get it, you see it, it will apply to you guys, and do not take stress if it doesn't. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel the Hierophant 1111. And guys, now let's move on to our reading and let's see what's going to come for us in the next 72 hours if we are watching this reading. Oh, let's shuffle again. I am not guided to take these cards, guys. Let's shuffle again and let's see which cards I'm guided to pick. So next 72 hours, angels divine, please guide me for the next 72 hours for the people watching this channel. Okay, I see like if someone had walked away from you due to an argument or because of a misunderstanding, that I see that person coming back to you with the with the Knight of Cups. So they are going to come and they are going to offer their friendship again, and they are going to approach you. I see two cards of approaching you, okay, because I see them choosing love and coming forward to you with love and offering you at least a friendship again and trying to work on this connection. What else? I don't see you accepting this offer though, but I do see this person coming forward to you with an offer. Okay, I see you being the Queen of Pentacles and trying to behave in a manner that I am enough for myself and I don't need anyone else right now in my life. So if you did feel that this person walked away and they will never come back, but they are coming back. But okay guys, I also see you meeting up. So maybe this person will ask you to meet them up. I see you meeting someone in the next 72 hours in a romantic interest, but you will hold on your Queen of Swords energy that you want to fight with them. You are going to be quite rude and rough to them. Maybe you are going to speak up directly what you are expecting, and they patiently listening to you actually in the next 72 hours. So good job guys. This person will come to you, will patiently listen to you. They are expecting you but they will be in a I see you being in a hanged man position with them. Let me show you guys. You will though they will offer you something, they will show they like you, they are attached to you. I see you being undecisive about them. Okay, you are not going to be, nor you will be expecting them to call you anymore, nor will you be expecting to meet them, but yes, you will give a shot. But I don't see you, they will show you some care and over care because it's their mistake. They realized that they will tell you their plans about their future. They have been meditating, they have been practicing good patience, and they will be telling you that they have got the rewards of their hard work. Their dreams have come true. So they will be meeting you and sharing their life with you. They are shocked about the new signs and synchronicities that they see, or the new things happening around them. They are shocked, and they will be telling you about that in the next 72 hours. I also see them caring for you, offering you a rose, in fact I should say. And maybe you will feel that you have got the rewards of your hard work in the next 72 hours if this is what you wanted. They will be clear and truthful about what they expect from this connection and what they expect from you. Okay guys, so let's see what more is going to happen with you in the next 72 hours. I see the Chariot, the moving forward of this connection or any connection you were hoping to move forward, but I still see a walking away over here. So for the good, I see you are moving towards the sun. You want happiness. You are confused, you will be confused whether to choose your present life or to go on with this person. Like, you know, let's take a few more cards for the next 72 hours. I see your tower falling down somehow, like because of this, and you will be sitting on your emotions because you are not expecting anything as such. So, or even if after reading this you have your own planned life and you know you are going on as per your plans, but I see a celebration coming towards you, and you know you getting a peace of mind, you know, about what your connection. So overall I see judgment, you know, for you, and judgment is the card of justice, and I see things happening right for you. I see things have changed for the better for you in the next 72 hours. Do tell me if this happened with you in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, guys, so that you do not miss any video in the future. Bye.